Hi, my name is Andrew Bloomfield, and I'm an engineer. And this is Bailey, a very special puppy. And this is Protopups.
Protopups is a custom canine prosthetics company which aims to provide affordable and comfortable devices to puppies and dogs with full and partial limb differences.
Protopups came about when I met this little puppy at an animal shelter and I knew I had to do something to help. So I adopted her, I brought her home, and I started looking into prosthetic solutions for dogs that have a lower limb difference. I found that the prosthetic would have to be updated monthly considering she is a growing dog. So I'd be looking at about $1,000 a month. I reached out to a veterinarian who told me that it would probably be best if I waited until she was fully grown so that I wouldn't have to incur that kind of cost. I would just pay a one-time fee, get a prosthetic, and be done with it. But I also knew that in the time that it would take to wait for her to be fully grown, she would have atrophy of her appendages and muscles. And I knew that I didn't want to wait until then, so I looked into developing a solution.
The medical benefits to a system like this can be better explained by a veterinary professional.
I'm Dr. Ruth Ann Spinoza, and one of the most common issues I treat as a veterinarian is musculoskeletal disease. Joint disease such as arthritis and muscle weakness are debilitating conditions, especially in our large breed dogs, leading to pain, decreased mobility, and eventually, in some cases, euthanasia. These conditions are compounded when our canine patients are amputees with their weight distributed between 3 legs instead of 4. A young puppy or dog who loses a leg due to either a birth defect or trauma would be the perfect candidate for a prosthesis. Most young dogs will have no issues with running and walking on 3 legs, but over the course of their 10, 12, or even 15-year lifespan, that abnormal weight distribution puts additional stress on the remaining 3 legs, potentially causing back, joint, and muscle problems and leading to a shortened lifespan. Starting with a prosthesis at a young age will allow the puppy to adapt and grow with the prosthesis, really getting the full use out of it, maintaining muscle development and providing the most protection to his or her back and remaining limbs.
Knowing the benefits prosthetics provide for developing dogs, we set out to create the most robust and affordable way to supply these devices. Thanks to the wonders of 3D printing, we can provide anatomically updated custom prosthetics to your puppy or dog every month until fully grown. Size your dog directly from a video conference. No messy mold kits or long lead times. Customize aesthetics like colors or logos. Provide specialized features to meet your dog's specific needs. Quick attach detach, super lightweight, etc. Cover your dog for their entire life. You heard that right. Protopups will provide a dimensionally updated prosthetic for your dog once monthly, up to full maturity. Once your dog reaches full maturity, or if your dog is already grown, your device design is locked and stored in our database. Every single prosthetic developed is then covered for the entirety of your dog's life. If you break it, abuse it, or lose it, we will provide a brand new replacement completely free of charge. Protopups is in it for the long haul with you and your best friend. Thankfully, Protopups won't break the bank either. All prosthetic plans for puppies start at $2,000. Plans for fully grown dogs start at $1,750. We will be providing further discounts for older dogs aged 9 and up. Every case begins with a free video consultation and quotation. Monthly financing will also be available pending the completion of this crowdfunding campaign. In order to jumpstart the campaign, we're offering a discounted rate of $1,800 for the first 30 puppies and $1,500 for the first 30 adult dogs as a condition of our pilot launch. Additionally, we will be creating the Paw Prints Initiative, where for every $2,500 raised, we will provide shelter dogs and families in financial need a prosthetic completely free of charge. We want to make sure that every contribution to this campaign has a positive impact on a dog in need. Finally, we are looking to set a new standard with the first fully articulating, full amputee prosthetic system. We are looking for 10 early adopters to test our device at a highly discounted rate. Please note that this system is highly complex and will require substantial physical therapy to become proficient. These will be beta prototypes. Please see the contribution tiers for more information on how you can help. If you are a shelter with dogs who may benefit from this initiative, please reach out at your own convenience to the contacts listed below. If you would like more information on pricing, the Paw Prints Initiative, or an in-depth look at our design philosophy, please check these links. Thank you for your time and for taking a look at Protopups. We look forward to hearing from you.